Hi everyone, welcome to 4 weeks challenge. Now this 4 weeks challenge is all about speaking practice. I've come up with this 4-week challenge so that I can discuss with you different ways and methods of and techniques of practicing English speaking. So we all get bored of practicing English speaking in a particular way, right? So it gets very monotonous, it gets very boring at the end of the day, and probably, we start feeling that today we should skip, and then we'll do it tomorrow. And it goes on in this way. It just gets discontinued. To keep your practice going, to keep your interest going, to keep your focus on in this exercise, I am going to talk to you about different methods, ways, tips, tricks, techniques of speaking in English without thinking more on the topic, without thinking what to speak today, what topic to choose, or anything of that sort. You don't have to tax your brains. You don't have to come up with a topic, or you don't have to come up with something to speak. Okay, it will be just spontaneous. You just have to club it with your habits. You can do it along with whatever you are doing. So these are so simple techniques, so simple, easy methods that you don't have to think much before practicing. And for your convenience, I'm trying to sort out everything. So what I do is I speak about the method or the technique in the beginning. I tell you how you can practice it on your own. And I give you references also from YouTube, which I call resources. So resources which you can take reference from, which is actually or majorly from YouTube or any other app or any other platform which I talk about, and I give you references so that it's easier for you to practice English speaking with this method. And all my methods are different. All my techniques are different. Just because it should cover all the topic, it should cover 360-degree spectrum of spoken English, right? While you'll be having a conversation, you will not speak on a single topic or a specific topic. There are lots of topics which people speak on, and it's not possible for me to speak on every single topic in my sessions. So that is why I have divided it into different techniques so that I touch every spectrum of spoken English, so that you get an idea of how to speak on different topics in different situations and with different people. Okay, so start utilizing these techniques, start practicing these techniques, start getting it clubbed into your habits or in your daily routine, and it will be very easy for you to communicate in English. You will be fluent, you will be confident every single day. And you don't have to take out time for your English speaking practice. It will be on the go or with the flow. That is the best part of all my methods or techniques. On that note, guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. Guys, I have a lot of videos on different topics, on varied topics which will help you in your daily English conversation practice or your English speaking practice. There are lots of topics, there are lots of formats, there are lots of different techniques which you can use while practicing. And these are very easy, very simple, easy to follow, easy to use. I have given examples also. You can speak with me, you can repeat after me, you can shadow with me, you can do a lot of things. You can come up with your own idea and start practicing. So these are there in my videos. Go and check out the videos, start practicing these things, and you'll see the difference. It is a 4-week challenge, and I'm sure at the end of 4 weeks, you are definitely going to see improvement if you follow my advice, if you follow my videos closely. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, and do write your comments in the comment section. And don't forget to press the notification icon. Now let's get started with today's session. Today I'm going to talk about a very interesting thing which we all love doing. We all love doing this. Trust me on this, guys. When you'll hear this word, you will get to know what I'm talking about. And I just thought of utilizing this interest of ours in speaking English or in practicing English speaking. So We all love talking about our experiences, right? When we go shopping, when we go eating, when we travel, or if we go to a school or college, any coaching institute, anywhere for that matter, whatever we do, we just love sharing our experience about it. And people are also interested in knowing the experiences because they also want probably to do the same, and that is why they're asking you about your experience. So I've just termed this as reviewing. We love reviewing everything. We love talking about everything, whatever our experience is about a brand, a shopping experience, an eating experience, a food experience, a cuisine experience, a place, visiting a place, going to a particular school or college or coaching institute, or anything for that matter. We also review our vegetable vendor also. We tell people, yeah, this vendor is good. You can buy vegetables from here. Or we say, oh, that one was not good. His vegetables are not good. He's very rude. So don't go there. You just buy it from the next one. Right? We do that. Every time we give reviews about somebody or something or anything. We love doing that, guys. So I just thought of why can't we utilize this thing in our English speaking practice? So I'm sure you're clear about what method I'm talking about. This is called reviewing. We love reviewing things. We love talking about our experiences, which is what we call as reviewing, right? When somebody asks, how was your experience, traveling to Singapore or traveling to Kerala or traveling to Lonavala for that matter. So we speak about it, right? We say, yeah, it was good, the resort was good, the food was good, or it was not good, the places we visited. So we talk about that. So we are reviewing that, right? By talking about our experiences. So now, how we can start practicing this technique, this method in English, or how do we do this? Okay, it's very simple, guys. So what you can do is, whatever you're doing, if you're going to a place and coming back, if your mom has asked to buy some vegetables, if you're going and buying some vegetables from somewhere and coming back, review it. How was your experience? Just talk about it. Right? It's so easy. For example, today morning I went to buy some vegetables. When I reached the market, I saw 2-3 vendors sitting there, but I couldn't find any fresh vegetables with them. So I thought of checking out some other place. So I went inside a grocery shop and I saw there were some fresh vegetables there. I went and asked for the cost, and the person really helped me a lot. He came along with me and he told me about the prices, and I picked up some vegetables. I got the billing done and the person packed the vegetables and handed it over to me. My experience was very good. It was very smooth. There was a helper which was there with me. He took all the vegetables. He told me all the prices and he took it and he got it billed. I gave the money and I just took it and came back. So the whole process was very nice, and this grocery shop is also very good. The person at the billing counter was very polite. The person who helped me was also very polite. So they have a good staffs there. So I had a good experience shopping at the grocery shop for vegetables. And the quality of the vegetables were also very good. So this is how you review your experience, right? Now, coming to the next thing, what else? You're eating your lunch. You can start reviewing that. For example, I'm having a nutritious meal. I'm having rice, vegetables, curd, and some salad. Okay. And then you can describe the taste, the flavor, and everything. On a daily basis, I love having this simple food. The vegetable is a mixed vegetable. It's not at all spicy and it tastes really good. It has gravy in it, so I don't need anything else. And curd is my favorite. I usually have it every day for my lunch. And salads, of course. We eat salad every day. We eat salad and curd every day for lunch. So you can just talk about that. You can include anything else. Whatever you wish to include, you can always include. Your mom has cooked, you have cooked, or anybody else has cooked, right? So you can just describe your lunch. So basically, you have to describe in a way that you are reviewing your thali or your lunch or your breakfast or your dinner or snacks if you are having anywhere outside. So you can just review it in English. If not on the spot you want to do, you can later also, you can just think about it and you can just talk about it in English. So basically you have to review that. Okay. Another thing, when you are having fun time or when you are having your YouTube time or you are having your screen time. So if you're watching a movie, if you're watching a series, if you're watching anything, cricket match or any other sports or anything else you're doing on screen or on your mobile or on your television, wherever you're doing. So you can just take out some time to review it. You can always review a movie, you can always review a cricket match or any sports match or any sports. You can review anything you are watching, right? If it is a cooking show also, you can review, oh, I liked her cooking. Oh, I liked her cooking skills. She comes up with very simple recipes. And it doesn't take much of your time also. Her recipes are not complicated at all. She always uses basic spices which are present in our kitchen. And all the ingredients are also very fresh and seasonal. She cooks with seasonal vegetables. I like her way of cooking. And you can go on and on. Right? So, you can describe the method also there. What she cooked, how she cooked. So, you can describe all these things. So, whatever you are watching, you can just review it. It's as simple as that. You just have to remember that you have to review that. So take out time, you can video record it, you can audio record it, and you can speak in English about it. So this will be your English speaking practice. Right? It's very simple, guys. Give it a try. It's very interesting and it will really help you to become more confident and fluent in English. Trust me on this. Try new ways of speaking English. Try new ways of practicing English speaking. You will never get bored. It will never get monotonous for you to speak in English. Trust me on this. And you don't have to worry on any topic. It is all there in front of you. So try this technique, try this method and you will see the difference. The last part, as I told you, I give resources from YouTube or any other platforms which will help you to practice this method. So as I told you, you are watching any movie, you're watching any series, you're watching anything for that matter, a cooking show, a travel show, a cricket commentary or a sports commentary, a podcast, a chat show, anything you're watching or you're listening to an audio book, you can just review that, right? You can just review that. We all are experts in reviewing a movie. You know that? Right? And now we have become very experts in reviewing series as well. Whenever you ask anybody what series are you watching nowadays, and the other person will quickly respond that, oh, this is the best series which is there on Netflix right now. And they will tell you, give the reviews also. Watch this, this is the best. So we all have become experts in reviewing movies and series, and we can always become an expert in reviewing anything and everything. Starting from our shopping experience to our vendor experience to our school experience to our college experience, we can talk about anything, right? We can review anything. It is in our blood, guys. We love doing this. So utilize this thing for your English practice. It will be very interesting. It will be very easy for you and you will be able to do it. Trust me on this. It's just that you have to change your language. We all love speaking in our mother tongue, right? We all love reviewing in our mother tongue. But here, it's just that we have to change the language. You have to change the language to English. Okay. And the best thing is you have to audio record or video record it so that you can correct yourself. You can see your body language. You can see how you're speaking, whether you're confident, looking confident or not, what improvement you need. So, give it 3 chances. Okay, 5 minutes. Record a video for 5 minutes to start with. And if you're not very satisfied, come up with another. Record it again. Take some time, think about it, maybe write some notes and then speak. This is really going to help. This is really jotting down ideas will really help. Trust me on this. Try this and let me know. This is the tip of the day. So guys, this method is very interesting. It has helped a lot of people. In all my sessions, I speak about this, and trust me on this, I come up with exercises on this as well. And trust me, people keep talking. People keep talking when I come up with this exercise on reviewing. They love the sessions. They love this method of speaking in English. You also try it. Definitely you're going to love it and you are going to benefit from it. So this is the end, guys. See you in my next video. Until then, keep learning, keep practicing, keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye.